Okay guys, this afternoon I want to how to measure, how to detect, how to check a new battery, a full battery or an empty battery. We must have one an old lamp. This very cheap. This is cheap, 1.2 dollars average. And a cable. Okay. Okay, finally it's done. This equipment like this, and we must try first in new battery. It's new battery. Okay. Negative here and positive here. Okay. This is new battery. We want to check this one by one. It is fully charged. Okay, full charge. And this full charge. Okay, this is the result. I have on 1.1234566 battery can be used again, and 3 M3 battery. Thank you for watching my YouTube, and good afternoon, good for you all. Thank you.